guys, Jason here, Jason's Creative Adventures, and I'm about to put together a recipe for a natural home remedy weed killer like thing. Anyway, it's all over YouTube. I'm just regurgitating information. I made this recipe kind of sort of the other day and tried it a little bit. It worked on some of the stuff I sprayed, but I didn't really do it in the right kind of mixture maybe. But I'm not really gonna worry about trying to get the exact mixture, but I'm gonna do it with an actual sprayer that I got from Walmart today. I got two sprayers, one which I'm gonna use for foliar feeding, which will be a whole nother video, and then I'm gonna use the other one to store a natural weed killer with stuff that you usually keep. Most people keep all three of these things in their house: vinegar, dish soap, and table salt. That's all you need. The vinegar is the main ingredient. The dish soap is to keep the vinegar to stick and burn the weeds, and hopefully so it can get absorbed by the weeds and down into the roots. And then salt, I'm not sure what the salt does, but they said that if you use the salt, you're only supposed to use it on weeds in a spot that you don't want to plant anything else in that area or spot. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and put all three ingredients in there. So hold on. We're gonna stop the camera. I'm gonna set the table up, and you're gonna watch me do this. All right, guys. I'm gonna open up one of these. I only need one. These are 2-gallon sprayers, the Eliminator brand, and open this up here. And let's see, we got this. What do we got here? Okay. All right, so this apparently goes in here. You gotta assemble this. Okay. Okay, so that goes in there. Okay, I am going to assume that this goes in here. Notice I'm doing this without reading the instructions. There's some settings here for shower, H fan, stream, V fan. You can set that up. Okay. So now in the YouTube videos that I watched, everybody was using one of these gallons. So this is 1 gallon here. Spill a little bit. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put both gallons. I'm gonna do a double batch in one because I think I got the room for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a double batch. We don't really use vinegar around our house much, or at least nobody else does. Release valve. Okay. I'll put both of these gallons in. Okay, got both those in, and then now you're supposed to put like a cup per gallon of vinegar, so we'll just have to guess. And hopefully that thing that does the pumping is gonna fit in here when I'm done. Just gonna put a bunch in here. All the dish soap does is help the vinegar stick to the weeds and the plants that you're trying to kill. So I don't think you actually need more than what I just put in. And salt, I'm gonna go ahead and put a bunch of salt in here. I'm just gonna guess. I'm just weighing it here, folks. I'm not doing exact measurements. Okay. Now, let's see if this will fit in there. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, I think I got that working pretty good. Yep. All right, so seems to work pretty good. All right, so before we go out and spray, I also got some seeds while I was out at the store. I got ground cherries, scarlet kale, pak choy, spearmint, spinach salad sensation, Swiss chard, rainbow blend, garden bean, royal burgundy. It's purple green beans, alyssum gold dust, spinach, big Ruffles hybrid spinach, dark opal basil, purple basil, basil spicy saber, and bunching onions, Flavor King. So that is what I got from between Walmart and these first two I showed you. The ground cherries and the scarlet kale were from Earl May, and I picked those up. So I got those. All right, let's go spray a few things. All right. Bunch of weeds in here. This is where I usually had the poison ivy and stuff. And I do want to keep weeds from this particular area. And because this is a non-toxic stuff, let's see, and I'm spraying stuff that I know isn't really toxic, like there's some dandelions here, there's some poison ivy there. So there's some probably poison ivy right there. Let's see. Okay, where else can we find some weeds? All right. So right here. And some of this stuff I'm spraying, I know is stuff that I actually want to cultivate, but I know I have it in other parts of the yard. Like I know this is probably poison ivy right here, so we'll spray it. That's wild lettuce, and this I think might be poison ivy, I'm not sure. Possibly poison oak. But I don't want to take any chances with my kids, so. Alright. Some hot days, hot sunny days, and the sun actually needs to be beaten down on the weeds for a couple days for this to work good. And let's hope that this stuff is getting mixed good, so all that mixture is really good. So let's see, is there any more places that I should probably spray? I got that on film. Battery's about dead, but this video is pretty much done. I went out and sprayed some of the weeds and stuff. I see some more over here I need to get, but I want to try this, see how well it works. I got the sprayer, and watch me kill some more weeds there. Okay, that's it. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe, hit the like, share it with your friends.